Welcome to GBI Cars and a walk around video of our 2020 Nissan Micra Acenta. This car comes with the 1 litre petrol turbo engine and the manual gearbox, which is ULEZ compliant, producing 99 brake horsepower and while still returning up to 50 miles to the gallon. The insurance group is low at 8, so ideal for new drivers, and this is a one owner vehicle, having covered just over 15,000 miles since new. As you can see, the white paintwork looks in great condition, gauge and mileage of the car. As we have a look inside, you've got the nice clean interior, a good hard wearing fabric there on the seats, and there's 2 cup holders in the centre for the front passengers. Onto the dashboard, you have your multimedia screen there in the centre for your Apple Carplay, DAB radio and Bluetooth, and then a few other features I can mention. The car also has air conditioning, automatic headlights and wipers, cruise control there on the right hand side of the steering wheel, and finally on the driver's door card you have your electric mirror and front window controls. Opening the rear doors reveals a good amount of legroom and headroom there in the back. The rear bench has 3 individual seat belts, and it's good to see the car's got the original carpet floor mats there from Nissan there as well. Opening the tailgate on the Micra reveals a good sized boot there, nice and deep, with the split folding rear seats and the parcel shelf that's still in place. Underneath the boot floor, you've also got some extra storage there as well as your pump. Externally, the car comes with front fog lights and the 16-inch alloy wheels. The car's also been independently inspected by the AA, who've been through a 128-point check for your peace of mind, and you'll also receive 12 months AA breakdown cover, a 3-month warranty that you can extend up to 3 years, and we can help you finance the car with no deposit up to 5 years. So if you have any questions or you'd like to book a test drive, then please do give us a call. The number's 01525 305 016. Thanks for watching.